Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to graph radical functions on your graphing calculator. In order to graph a radical function, you're going to want to go to your function editor. In this case, that would be my y equals editor. And then I have a couple of different choices. If I want a square root function, there is actually a key to get a square root function directly on the keypad. Notice it's in blue, so I'm going to go second and then hit that button. Type in my variable. That will get me a square root function. The other ones, you can get a cube root function. In order to get the cube root function, you want to go to math. And then the cube root function is the fourth option. So now I can graph the cube root of x. Now the one underneath that, if I go to math, notice that option 5 is sort of the xth root of the expression. That just means you can put any number before that root that you want. Now the way this works is you do have to put that number in before you input this symbol. So in order to graph this, we actually go back to our y equals editor, and let's say we wanted the fifth root of something. So we would do 5 and then math 5, plug in our x, and then we should see 3 different radical functions graphed. When we graph these functions, I'm just going to go to zoom 6 to make sure we're in the standard graphing window, and you'll notice that the blue one is the square root, the red one is the cube root, and the black one is the fifth root. But that is how you can graph radical functions on your graphing calculator.